Hey, what's happening, sneaky heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get to the video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby. That
We
weekly heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from July 13th to July 19th. I'm going to go ahead and start off. So starting on July 18th, we do have a women's Air Jordan 3. This one's called the Starfish. Predominantly of the color is like a sail. Well, we're just taking a different twist to the Jordan 3 because this entire upper is made out of canvas material, as well as we don't have the regular elephant print. Elephant print has been replaced with this orange suede. Looking at the midsole, we do see that white midsole and that sail pop of color on the back. Moving around the back, I think this is the best part of the shoe is that sail back tab on the back with that orange Jordan Jumpman popping out. I do think that's a nice touch on the back. It does make the shoe pop. Move around to the bottom of the shoe. We do see that regular Jordan outsole for the Jordan 3s with that orange pod at the front with Jordan and orange at the back. We do have a little bit of special colorway for this shoe. They hit us with a sail box with that orange on the end. Overall, I'm going to be dropping these shoes because I don't like the way the shoe overall looks. I do think that they're trying to do something different, so I do give them credit for that. However, this is a Jordan 3 with a price point of $200. I do see these sitting. As you know, the last Jordan 3 Pure Monies are sitting right now. And because this is the women's exclusive pair only, I do see these going way under retail. And also another thing that bothers me is this looks like a fall shoe, that orange for the fall. So it doesn't make sense, Jordan Brand. I don't know what you're doing. So I will be dropping these. What do you think about these, my brother?
Hey, my brother, I'm on the same page as you. I will be dropping those as well. I will be dropping those as well. One reason is that price point, right? That price point of $200 for a women's pair of sneakers. Come on, Jordan Brand, put some thought behind that. And then, of course, you know I'm all about the laces. I'm all about the laces. You know what I mean? Hey, see if you can flip those laces, right? Maybe bring that shoe out some, drop that price point, and then the timing. I do agree with you with the timing. That is a fall shoe. That is not a summer shoe, right? So drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. So moving on the same day, July 18th, for a price point of 190, we do have these Kobe 6 Protro. This is called the Total Orange. Overall, this is the same as all the other Protros that have dropped before. However, this one's made up of totally orange hits. As we look at the side, we do see that gray swoosh as usual. Looking at the tongue, we do see that Kobe Stealth branding as normal. Moving around to the side, we do see that Kobe signature logo that's normal for all the Kobe 6s. Overall, this is just keeping in with the same traditions as the other Kobe's that have dropped in the past. However, I don't really like this orange colorway. I don't own a lot of orange, so this will be unfortunately a drop for me because of the colorway. But I do think if you do rock Kobe's on the court and want these to play basketball in, these are a nice shoe for you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about these sneakerheads. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I actually like those. I actually like those. I am a fan of the sixes, right? And then I just like the color. I do like that color orange. I don't know if it complement my complexion, but I do like that. So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on July the 19th, we do have an Air Jordan 8 Aqua, right? This is a family sizing that will be dropped. Price point for those men's are going for 215, grade school is going for 160, preschool is going for AKA babies is going for 100, and toddlers and infants are going for AKA babies is going for 85. This shoe originally dropped All-Star Game back in 1993. Michael Jordan debuted this shoe. On that game there, he did have 30 points. And I believe he was the MVP for that game. But this shoe right here was an instant classic. I just like the shoe overall because it's a nice, clean shoe. I like what they did with this shoe with that black premier leather. Right, I like how they kept the midsole the same. What really stands out with this shoe is the logo on the tongue, right? That multicolor, right? I really like that. And I also like what they did with that midfoot 23, right? I love what they did with that. I mean, this is a nice, clean shoe for those that do like the Air Jordan 8 Aquas. I am a fan of the shoe. But overall, I do like this shoe. It's a nice, clean shoe. I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
I'll be rocking these as well because this is the OG shoe, and the OG sneakerheads out there will love this shoe. I do expect them to get these real easy. So rumors are that these will be the same as the Jordan 5 Aquas that just released, or AKA Grapes. As you see up there at the top, it's similar to colorways in that aqua and purple hits. So they said if your grape 5 sold out in your area, then expect these to be difficult to get. If the grape 5s sat, then these should be easy to get. But we wish you the best of luck on these. Again, this is a full family size, so you and your sons and daughters can rock these all together. It'll be really cool to see that. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. Yeah, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.